Hey folks, I'm HP's Dr. Pink, and today's topic is an easy fingerstyle blues guitar which I created for you. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button to get a notification when a live stream takes place or a new video is uploaded. So let's I'm gonna play the blues now which I created for you, then show it to you, and at the end of the tutorial I'm gonna play it again and give some inspiration how to improvise with this topic. So let's get started. Yeah, and so on. So let's get started with this cool blues. Okay folks, the blues is in the key of A, and so because we have here the open strings which can be used and is played with finger picking, but you also can play with a pick, but I'm gonna show you the fingerstyle version of it. And there's basically two main patterns. The first one is this one here. This one here. So we're starting here in the second fret on the D string, hammer on 2 to 4, then on the G string 2 to 4. So, and then comes the bass note, open A string. Then we go up here in the 6th fret, 5th fret, then bass note again. Then we move down 3rd fret, 4th fret, and then 2 2. See, it's really simple. Again, and if you do it with the finger picking, you take the index finger or can thumb or index finger, then thumb, then we move up. See? I would rather suggest take the index finger, middle finger here. Then here I have a pull off, hammer on, pull off, then thumb, we go up. See? And then comes thumb, and then we have the full A, then D with A in the bass, and that's the ending of the pattern. That's the whole pattern. And also try to make the dead note on here. It starts at 1, 2, 3, 4. Starts on 1, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and done. Then we go to the second little thing, open D string, and then really simple, 3, 3, 5, 7, open D, 3, 3, 3, 5, 7, open D string, 3, 5, 3, and then we go back. And then back to the first little pattern. So I'm gonna play it now slowly. 3, 4. So we're literally through the blues now. Now we go to E, so open E string, then a double stop here, 9, 9, D string, B string, thumb with the open E string. Move it down to 7 to 6, 5. And then open D string. Do the same thing again. But since the D string is involved here, we cannot keep the D string ringing. So you just skip that one in this case, because there's no way you can keep the D string just one. There's no way to can keep it ring, because you have the same figure here from 7 7 7 5 5 to 4 3. What you could do is make it with an open A string. That will also work. Let's see if that is cool. Yeah, it can work with the open A string, but I rather will go for the open D string, and let's just keep the D string. And then comes the figure again. Again, the first one, and then open E string, and you grab an E here, and then they're gonna play the whole thing slowly for you. 1, 2, 3. It's really simple, isn't it? If you want to play with pick, it's probably what also could work with chicken pick, so that let me get a pick quickly. So here's a pick. Chicken pick would also work. I have the pick here, and so the chicken pick, you use the pick, and you also use these 3 fingers with finger picking. So then it will be like this. Bass note and melody line is played with the pick, and the rest with the fingers. See? And here I will also only do the bass with a pick. But it's really up to you how you want to do it. For me, it's not really an option, because I don't like the sound of the pick here in this specific situation, because I like the warmness of my chair is on the cable. The warmness of the finger picking here. So yeah, so that will be that one here. Yeah, that was the easy fingerstyle blues guitar here. It's really easy. I mean, I think everybody can play that one who has some basic skills together. What more to say? I've used here a slight distorted sound with a Fender Tweed reverb. But you can play it on acoustic guitar, on clean guitar. Any kind of setting works on that one here. What more to say? Follow me on Telegram. I have a brand new Telegram channel. I love Telegram. Just search me HPCrazy there, and follow me on Instagram, follow me on Spotify, and if you want to have the tabs and the tabs for this one here, they're available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Follow me there in specific, because there I'm building up a real cool community of my students, online students, which really love my teaching style and want to communicate more with others or with me. Good, I'm going to play now the whole thing again for you, and then add some improvisation for your inspiration. So me and Dr. Pink are saying goodbye, but start to play now.